Hi dears, how are you? Welcome back to maths class. Are you studying multiplication tables every day? Children, you should recall all the multiplication tables in order to perform the multiplication easy. Dears, we are going to continue the same lesson, shape, symmetry and pattern. We have learned different types of number patterns in our previous classes. Children, you have to observe these number patterns and find the next three numbers. Okay, let us move on to the first topic, symmetry. Children, look at this flower. Now let us draw a line divides the flower into two parts that are exactly the same. Such a figure is symmetrical. A line that divides a symmetrical figure into two parts that are exactly the same is called the line of symmetry. Children, the one half of this flower completely covers the other half. Children, look at this butterfly. Now we are going to folding it. If we fold this image, one half of this image completely covers the other half. It is a symmetrical figure. This line is called line of symmetry. Children, look at this smiley. Okay, let us check this image is symmetrical figure or not. Okay, let us draw a line divides this figure into two parts. Yes, look at the one half. It completely covers the other half. Yes, this is symmetrical figure. This line is called line of symmetry. Look at this image. We have learned the line divides this image into two parts that are exactly the same. Such a figure is called symmetrical and this line is called line of symmetry. Yes, this figure is symmetrical figure. Now you have an idea about what is symmetrical figure and what is line of symmetry. At this line, it completely covers the other half. So this figure is symmetrical figure and this line is called line of symmetry. Let us see a few more examples of symmetrical figure and line of symmetry. We can fold it exactly halfway. Here is the letter A. It is a perfect example of symmetrical figure. Look at this figure. Here is a symmetrical shape with two halves. Completely covers the other half. Here is a square. Let us fold this square. Yes, it is completely covered the other half. We know that this is symmetrical figure and this is line of symmetry. Okay, let us see some more examples. We can fold it exactly halfway. Here we have a star. We can fold it exactly halfway. So this is symmetrical image. Then, is it a symmetrical figure? Let us find it out folding in halfway. Yes, if we fold it halfway, it completely covers the other half. So these images are symmetrical figure. We know that the line that divides a symmetrical figure into two parts that are exactly the same is called the line of symmetry. These all examples are symmetrical image. Children, how many lines of symmetry can you find in a rectangle? And we can fold here. This half completely covers the other hand. This is symmetrical figure. Now let us fold this rectangle in another way. So we can fold this rectangle in two ways. Children, look at this circle. Children, is it a symmetrical figure? Okay, let us find it out folding a halfway. It completely covers the other half. This is symmetrical figure. Okay, let us see how many lines of symmetry in a circle. We can fold here too. We can draw many number of line of symmetry in a circle as all these lines are passed to the center of the circle and line of symmetry. Children, look at this cup. Let us check, is it symmetrical figure? Okay, let us draw a line divides this cup into two parts. Here one half does not cover the other half. So this is not a symmetrical figure. Okay, let us see some more examples. Here we divide these letters into two. We cannot fold it into two halves that are cover each other. These figures are not a symmetrical figure, and this is not a line of symmetry. Next, let us move on to the next topic, number patterns. We know that the repeating shapes can make a pattern. Children, numbers can also form patterns. Children, look at these numbers 25, 30, 35. Here we need to find it out. Next three numbers. Here we know the difference of these numbers. To get the next number, we need to add 5. Children, do you know next numbers? Yes, 40, 45, 50. Okay, let us check next number pattern. Here are the numbers 1, 4, 9. How can we find it out next three numbers? Look children, here is the first number. 1 into 1, yes 1. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. Can you say next three numbers? Okay, good. 4 fours are 16. 5 fives are 25. 6 six are 36. Okay, look at this number pattern. 2, 2, 3, 5. Okay, first let us find the difference of these two numbers. Here, 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 8 plus 4 equal to 12. Here we add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, look at this number pattern. 4, 8, 12. What is the difference of these numbers? Yes, 4. And we know that this is the multiples of 4. Okay, let us move on to the next topic, tiling patterns. Children, look at these floor patterns. It is made up of small tiles shaped like triangle, rectangle, square, etc. Children, you have to observe these all tiling patterns. What we can see here, these each tiles fit into each other without leaving a gap. Look children, here some patterns are made by shapes that fit in each other without leaving a gap. Tiles of different colors make the patterns look more beautiful. Yes, we have seen different types of patterns are made by different shapes. Look children, we can make a tiling pattern by using these shapes. Yes, we know that these shapes that fit in with each other without leaving a gap, but we can't make a tiling patterns with these shapes. If we are using these type of shapes to make a tiling pattern, it will not fit each other. This shape will make a gap. Okay dears, we are going to conclude today's session. Today we have learned symmetrical figure, line of symmetry, tiling patterns and number patterns. Children, you have to learn multiplication tables till 10. Okay dears, we will meet again. Thank you.